We make things disappear. Hi, I'm Tina with A1 Demolition Hauling. My husband and I, Tom, we've been in business since 2005, and we just love our business. Our main goals are to make sure things go away for you. We are a commercial and residential demolition, cleanup, and hauling company, and we will make it disappear for you. We are very proud of our employees. We have male and female employees that know their job and will get it done. If this interests you, please give us a call, 503-807-1025 or 360-713-4568. Thank you.